Hey everyone, welcome back into weather. Mike Schultz with you once again. It wasn't a bad day across the interior. For the most part, just cloudy skies, no precipitation. Temperatures a little chilly today, no wind to worry about, but we're looking at the cool temperatures to continue, but then slowly warming up toward the weekend. We'll tell you more about that in just a little bit. Photograph night almost looks like a postcard. This one's sent by Tom Berklid. He captured all those mallards out there on the Chena River. Look at all of them, just flourishing there, and a great photograph. As always, the great colors and nice contrast. And if you have a photograph to share, please send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Nice job, Tom. Good picture. Here's your numbers for today. 17 for the high, currently 14. The low last night, 5. The record high is 33 in 1960, but in 1975 dropped down to 57 below. Your sunrise and sunset, about 4 hours and 16 minutes, a gain of 4 minutes from yesterday. And once again, we have air quality problems going on. There's an alert in effect until 5 p.m. tomorrow. Fairbanks is at a stage 1 moderate, but the North Pole is stage 3, unhealthy for sensitive groups. So keep in mind, don't burn anything unless you really have to, because the air there is in pretty ugly shape right now. Okay, what's going on as far as our satellite and radar? You can see high pressure dominating the scene once again, keeping all the clouds away from the interior, pushing it off to the west. Over southeast Alaska, it really clears a bell there, looking pretty nice. Even the precipitation has dropped off down around the Prince William Sound and the Anchorage Bull area. Elsewhere across the state, as you can see over southeast Alaska, just mainly a few clouds here and there. Temperatures right around 33 at Ketchikan, quite a bit cooler at Juneau. Anchorage about 28 degrees. Kodiak partly cloudy, 33. Clear skies at Cold Bay, 31. And 31 degrees at Nome with partly cloudy skies, 32 at Bethel. Barrow, look at that, above zero, 10 degrees above zero to be exact. And Fort Yukon even cooler than Barrow. Isn't that amazing? Here's your satellite and radar for the lower 48. Some showers moving across the Central Plains over the East Coast. Very nice weather, clear and cool for the most part. But on the West Coast, just the opposite. A big storm system moving in, and yet another one expected, and another one behind that. So they're looking at quite a bit of rainfall. In fact, a stormy situation setting up for tomorrow and tomorrow night. High surf and beach erosion, heavy mountain snows, they can definitely use that. Flash flooding and gusty winds. A lot of rain expected with this storm system. There were some forecasts of Northern California having 16 inches of rain in the next 15 days. Boy, that's a lot of water. And the jet stream, once again, the culprit here, bringing all the cool air down across the Pacific Ocean, then taking a big turn, bottoming out across the deep south, and then roaring back up over the northeast. A mix of snow and rain across the Great Lakes expected there. Well, we're back to our kids' weather once again. The kids have returned, and tonight we're going to be visiting with kids from Salcha Elementary School. Tonight, here's a young lady with a really interesting story to share with you.
Hi, my name's Kaylana. I'm in Miss McGee's 4th grade class at Salcha Elementary, and here's my story. Sunny weather, rainy weather, electrically disturbed weather, super weather, sweater weather, big fat tornado weather, 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 weather. You are so clever, messing with my recess.
And you are so clever for developing that poem. Nice job. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. Tomorrow night, a young man will be here with an interesting picture to share. Here's your forecast for tomorrow for the northern sections of Alaska. Flurries at Barrow, a little snow in Nome, partly cloudy skies for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we're looking at pretty mild and pretty wild weather, or actually quiet weather, I should say, for the most part. Partly cloudy skies across the region. Warmer for Healy and Delta Junction. Temperatures in the teens to low 20s. Over southeast Alaska, sunny skies in Juneau, just mostly cloudy skies at Ketchikan. Well, over to the southwest, it looks like cloudy skies in Cold Bay, snow showers at Bethel, and rain and snow in Kodiak. And down across the Anchorage Bull, we're looking at mostly sunny skies in Anchorage and Valdez, and just partly cloudy skies for Homer. So pretty quiet weather pattern over the entire state. Our forecast for tonight, a little chilly, 4 below. The first time we've seen below temperatures for quite a while. Partly cloudy skies, but warmer in the hills. We have an inversion going on. Over south, over tomorrow for the Fairbanks area, 9 degrees above, little change from today, continue partly cloudy skies. And the 5-day outlook, temperatures slowly warming up toward the weekend. In fact, 20 degrees by Sunday and Monday. Up until then, we'll be looking at temperatures still chilly, but still above normal for this time of year. Overnight lows also rising nicely, 0 to 10 above, even 15 above by Saturday night.